Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new update on Jasmy. I covered this. I'm not sure when I covered this. I think I covered this on Sunday, and what we talked about then. Well, we'll get into that, all right? But I just wanted to give you my thoughts on Jasmy. Overall, you see quite a lot of momentum right now pouring into Jasmy and Gala, which, if you don't know, those are actually weirdly correlated. Overall, I'm not sure what. I'm not sure if there's any fundamentals I need to know about Jasmy. I don't think so. I mean, Jasmy, it's a serious project. They really have to do have some potential, and most of you know that. But I don't think that there's any relevant, or at least I didn't see any relevant major developments that are causing this. In general, I think this is very much in line with the technical structure, because the last time we talked about Jasmy, just to give you a refresher, what we talked about is that Jasmy actually purely technically has some sort of an uptrend going on right here. And then last time what was also happening is that Jasmy, if I am correct, was starting to show some signs of some sort of momentum coming in. So that was right here. Like I said, on Sunday we covered it. So that was the 7th. So the momentum, the open interest started increasing a little bit already. So what I said in the video as well is that, you know, this is not enough yet. And that was also technically, Jasmy had not broken above 2 cents yet, which purely technically is a very important level to break if you want to turn bullish. But what I said in the video, and I still remember this vividly, and you can also check that out, what I said is that every time Jasmy actually did turn bullish and broke out, it started with open interest that looked like this. Like if you look at something like this, but also if you, well, right here we were also relatively bullish, but not that much. But also right here, initially you always had that slope up for the open interest, which was bullish. So that also happened right here. So what I said, watch that 2 cents level. If we break above that, we can actually rally back up to this level right here at like 2.25 and ultimately 2.4 cents. So I think we're in the middle of that. I'm bullish on Jasmy. All right. If you purely technically look at Jasmy right here, and I know that I say that a lot, like purely technically. But no, I mean, we broke above 2 cents. The EMAs are sloping up here. The momentum is increasing here. So there's no reason for me to be bearish. There's reason to be cautious, right? I mean, Bitcoin right now has fallen down quite a bit. I would say that Bitcoin is still bullish. But if Bitcoin really keeps falling and it falls down below 69,000, for example, well, then even though Jasmy on its own is technically strong enough, then we will not have a massive bullish breakout, right? And we will not have a massive bull run. So that's something to be careful about. But like I said as well, I think Bitcoin right now is still bullish, even though we have dropped down. And then Jasmy is also bullish. So what I expect is obviously that will continue to go up. Now, we're at a pretty significant resistance level. I mean, you can see over time, we have respected this level quite often and spiked up to that level around 2.25. Which is also a psychological resistance level quite often. Usually we get some sort of a pullback from there. So I expect that. I expect us to pull back down to like 2.05 cents and 2 cents. But from there, in these circumstances, and what I mean with that is this state of Bitcoin, I think we'll find support. We'll break above 2.2 and 2.25, and we'll rally up to 2.4 and 2.5 cents here. And then once we hit that level, we'll start talking again about potentially breaking above that. But for now, I would say it's too soon for that. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.